KP Mini. Thanks, Milk, for the bag. Just waiting for some superhead. Yeah, I like saying that. Ow. Yeah, my shop is muy pequeño. It's my truck. 171. There's the original piston. I call this my rice ride. This thing's awesome. Needle bearing. Please do. And this is another one I'm fixing up. This has 160, so this is the 60 millimeter from Alan Rivera, which I'm probably saying that wrong, but yeah, his kits are good, man. Who'd ask you? She is right now modding the rear fender. I don't know about the front fender, but battery box. These are the lights I use for my trucks. Hey, who all would want one of those made? I might be able to make some of those if you're interested. Let me know. Yeah, so that's what it looks like without the battery box, obviously. Just in case you're looking for a chuck. Yeah, don't ever call it a ruckus. Dude, just saves so much time. So much time. The stock shocks are a little, or forks are a little, but bam. And that's a KP Mini 150, and now it's a 221 with a super cam and a super heads on its way. That thing will pull wheelies real easy, and it's a lot for a little bike. This one's just fun to ride, man. Whitewall set it up. This one's coming along. Got my welder. Got some, I don't know what to call these, treats. Just being able to get a muffler can and just having an option, I feel like a very successful person. Because now I got a welder, I got a tire changer, I got parts. I got panty dropper. Alright, well, this is Cat Scoop.